Stop.
Let go of me!
I'm done with this.
Let go of me!
Talk to me. What is your name?
Let go of me!
On May 30th, 26 officers were dispatched to Walmart for an active shoplifting incident involving a woman previously trespassed multiple times who had returned to steal again.
Is that her?
No, she's wearing a face mask.
Okay. Will you make your way to the back of the store? We're near the restrooms.
Apparently, it's just the stuff she just took and
she's
apparently and tossed it with packaging.
Okay.
Like, I don't know, the officers last time when we got her shop, I don't know if he checked the purse or not because he had her go outside.
Okay. Do we know where she went? It was like in a purse where she tucked all that stuff?
She had a book bag.
And a book bag? Okay.
I think it's still in her cart.
Okay. Is that her cart right there?
Yeah, that's her cart.
She's been marking the barcodes and... Okay.
She's been here 2 times before, and each time, last time was like $2,000 of the stuff. Yeah.
Jeez. That's ridiculous. Okay. Do you know if she came here in a vehicle or she not sure?
I'm not sure. She probably did.
Okay, no worries.
Yeah, I think she did. Because last time they thought she had like a driver, so she was ready to go, but apparently she didn't. So
okay.
I think she made a vehicle.
Okay.
Did she go to jail the last time?
I have no clue. I don't.
Yeah, you'll have to probably put that.
I know. I wanted to
don't
know.
know.
I watched her for 3.5 hours of my shift.
Wow.
It was $2,100, but it was right at 11 o'clock when we were closing. And I stayed over an hour just watching.
Right. Jeez.
Yeah, I know. I was mad. It's an hour I didn't get back. I don't want overtime.
Right. No, I get it. Yeah. She is third stall.
Hey, how you doing? I ain't seen you like forever.
Third stall. She's gonna have the stuff, and most likely in her book bag.
Did she not leave the book bag in here? Because I didn't see her grab it into the bathroom.
I don't see it in here.
Oh, she did. She tears.
Apparently, she was trespassed in here.
Stopped her last time. She said she tears the tags off because she didn't want it to beep at the door.
So is this what we're looking at then?
Well, this is what she did. There's nothing in it, so we're assuming.
Well, she probably has concealed at least.
Yeah.
Okay.
But she's trespassed.
So at least that.
Yeah.
So she's been trespassed previously.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
She was trespassed when I stopped her, but I didn't know that.
Right.
Hey, Ashley, it's Officer Ingalls with the police department. You need to come out. Okay, well, hurry it up. My body camera's on as well. So, once she comes out here, I'm going to, actually...
Good.
I need to go check the stall. Anyway, I'll have to go check the stall, so I'll go ahead and bring her out here. I'll go check the stall, and then I'll ask her about her backpack and everything.
There's some makeup products, and this is definitely, that was what's open. This looks like a shirt tag, probably. An aqua football. I don't know where she hit it, or, but this is what she did when she was walking around. This is the thing.
I knew if I was getting
What do you got? Yeah.
So, this is the one. I don't know if you were working. I did traffic stop her because she was called in as a DUI from Thornton's. I stopped her on Veterans.
Yeah.
She's got that disease.
Oh.
I put her daughter through Shop with a Hero.
Okay.
Because of that.
Okay.
So this is who this is.
So do you think there's a bit of it's a cognitive disease? Like there's some sort of like
she knows exactly what she's doing. She just loses control of her functions and stuff.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Do you have anything in your backpack that you haven't paid for?
No.
That you've taken out of packages? No? Okay, do you mind if I look?
It's mine. I use that.
Okay. They've got you on video, all right? So you just might as well cooperate. It's going to be a lot better for you.
I don't steal anything. I didn't take anything out of packages. I didn't do anything.
Okay. Go ahead and have a seat there. Yeah, you can use that one, yeah. I'm not afraid to go through this crap, so I'm not sure if you think I am, but. Okay, go ahead and get your backpack. Come with me. Go to the right. Just come over here. Do you want to go look at the video?
Look at the video? I can.
Yeah, I mean,
I can.
we don't need to do that. I'll just arrest her for trespass and I can search the backpack because she's refusing.
Okay.
So that's
Yeah.
how we'll do it.
All right, that's fine with
Okay.
me.
I'm gonna put these in that package.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Give me your sweatshirt.
Will you take the backpack off, please?
So they did verify she has been trespassed?
They said dispatch did not.
They did
I
not
have
see.
it pulled up on our system. Check what the issue is.
I forgot.
You forgot you were trespassed?
You were told that you were trespassed from here?
And I forgot.
Okay. All right.
well.
Go ahead and turn around. You're being arrested for criminal trespass because you are not supposed to be here at Walmart.
Please be careful with my weapon.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have anything on your person that you shouldn't have? Anything on your body? Nothing? No? Okay.
All right. We're gonna head up to the security office.
Okay.
You wanna
Check
head up to,
Gavin.
you wanna meet some.
Okay, so speak up just a little bit for me so I can hear you. But so, what was the intentions today?
And most of this for my daughter.
Okay, so you were going to purchase the stuff that was in the cart, but yet the other stuff you were not. That's why all the tags are off of them, the boxes are off of them, and they're in the.
I didn't take my boxes off or nothing.
Okay.
The only thing that I had in my book bag was clothes. I didn't take anything out of my packages. I didn't open nothing.
Okay.
The only thing
Just the clothes.
Yes.
Okay. So all the tags that were in that sanitary thing, those are the clothes that are in your backpack,
Yes.
right? Okay. Do you want to go through all that? And I'm going to go ahead and do my notice to appearance for the criminal trespass and the retail theft.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, that works.
I'll take care of this. You can disregard. I'm just going to release her on a couple notice to appears.
You want the other half of that?
Okay. Well, what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to put everything down in a way where I can show that tags were ripped off.
Oh, okay.
Do you have someone getting a training receipt for like all of those that we have that were torn off?
You want me to? I can.
I would say yeah,
Okay.
because I think there's a retail theft charge for removal of.
So you want all the tags?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Do you mind just hanging out with her until Billy gets done?
Okay. Is that photograph? You need me to photograph the other car?
I don't think so because we don't have anything. She didn't go past last point of sale. She had concealed this in her backpack in the restroom. And
Just
so-
all these stuff.
Yeah, everything was in there.
Okay. So I got up there and they found the ball for this.
Okay.
Okay.
So I found that one.
Right. These are unknown still. So I don't know.
Okay.
And there's a tag that's something that I can probably look up.
Okay. Yeah, that's a clothing item. Missy Flow shirt, black. What? Yeah, they watched you on camera
No,
take these out of the box.
no, the hell I did not.
Well, where are they?
I didn't touch anything.
Okay. So we want to answer questions about those boxes. I mean, they watched you take the items out of
I
it,
didn't freaking touch the damn things.
and they watched you do it.
I don't care what they said on camera. I didn't freaking touch nothing like that. The clothes in the car,
What do I got for
stuff
amount?
in the car, yes.
from all those
But I did
tags.
not freaking touch or open anything.
$102.
I don't even know what the it is.
Okay. Did did you take pictures and send them in for me?
I haven't sent them in yet. I will when I get back out of the car.
Okay.
So kind of just wondering apparently this is all the stuff that she had concealed in her backpack, so I just took photos of these.
Yep.
I'm not sure. I don't think he took photos of those, but I can.
It's not necessary.
Okay.
Because yeah, I mean that stuff didn't. The stuff, yeah, the stuff that the tags were taken off of, and come on up here for me, Ashley. I'm gonna have you sign it. It just shows that I gave it to you. Your court date on both of these is going to be April 28th at 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay. The 2 misdemeanor charges: one for the criminal trespass and one for the retail theft. You have everything that's yours now. You got your sweatshirt and stuff. Everything okay. Things are going to be on your record. They sure are. Go ahead and sign right there for me. Just shows that I've explained the court date and what your charges are. Okay, and you are trespassed from here again. We have it in our records as well, okay? These are your copies. Like I said, April 20th at 9 o'clock for the 2 charges, okay? There you go. You can grab your backpack.
A little over 2 weeks later, the woman returned once again.
She's an offender. She's marked out tags quite a few times previously and has been trespassed.
Okay, where's
at
she
least
at?
once. She's over by the fitting room, I do believe.
Okay. Do you know her name?
I don't. Sorry.
It's okay.
Our AP was tied up on a phone call, so one of our who has dealt with her before is over with that in
Kind
that
of just
area.
observing?
So, yep,
Okay.
observing. I know we've asked her to leave multiple times before, and I know that she has been escorted.
Okay.
Right here.
Hello. Okay. Hello. Hey, so do you have an ID on you by chance?
No,
What's your name?
I don't have one.
You don't have a name? Ma'am, can I talk to you for a second? Can I see what she's still the bag? Ma'am, can I talk to you? Command 5. She's walking back towards the entrance. Hey,
My
ma'am,
phone's in
ma'am.
my phone's in the car.
Okay, all right. Hey, ma'am.
I'm not talking to you.
Did she? Go back by the fitting rooms by the jewelry section now. All right, ma'am. Hey, I need to talk to
I'm
you.
not talking to nobody.
I need to talk to you because
Nope,
look.
I'm not talking to nobody.
Hey, ma'am.
Let go of me.
I'm having difficulties with her, ma'am. Ma'am, can you talk to me?
Talking
Hey,
to nobody.
ma'am.
Let go of me.
Just talk to me.
No, let go of me.
All right,
Don't-
stop.
Let go of me right now.
By customer service.
Let go of me.
Ma'am, please identify yourself.
No. Let go of me.
All right, I'm gonna walk you to the entrance, okay?
Let go of me. Let go of me.
Walking back towards the entrance, I walked in.
Let go of me.
Just identify yourself.
No, let
Ma'am.
go of me.
All right, we're gonna go to the entrance. Right here. Stop. Stop.
Let go of me.
I'm done with this. I'm
Let
done.
go of me.
Talk to me.
No,
What is your
let
name?
go. Let go of me.
Go.
Let
Put your
go
hands
of
behind your
me.
back. Put your hands behind your
Let go. No.
Do you know that you
Not
just
a-
smacked me?
Yeah, because you wouldn't let go of me.
Okay, well that's
I was-
assaulting a police officer. Where's your ID at?
Oh,
You don't have an ID, you don't have a name?
That's okay. We'll figure it out.
Okay. We're gonna
can
go.
you pick my phone up and put it in my pocket?
Yeah, will you grab it? Yep. Thank you.
A woman was charged with battery on a peace officer and criminal trespassing. Once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more real body cam videos.